No, hold up, bro. Oh no, they want to flop. Oh gosh. At this point, I'm actually just ready to give up. Wait, so let's start off on the first one. Holy moly. Wow, okay, that's half. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. Today we are in a little bit of a different location. We are in my kitchen, even though you guys are facing the living room. I just thought it'd be better lighting this way. But hi, we're gonna be doing something that's just a little bit different. We're gonna be trying to bake today. You know what guys? I have been loving my girl, Rosanna Pansino. Like, I have been binging all of her videos. I have just been obsessed. I don't know like what's happening to me. Is Shelton gonna become a baker now? Like, who knows? So for today's video, I thought it'd actually be fun to try and recreate one of her bakes. So for today's video, I thought it'd be fun to kind of replicate or try to make one of her recipes. And I saw her make this Pikachu cake a few days ago, and I was like, you know what? I can make that. I think I can make that. Hopefully I can make that. So that is what we are gonna try to do today. Also guys, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below if you guys wanna see more future videos. I think that's everything I have to say. So without further ado, let's jump in right into this video.
And cute. So if you love Pokemon, or any of your friends or your siblings love Pokemon, this may be the perfect dessert creation for you or for them, maybe for a birthday party, or if you'd like to celebrate the new Detective Pikachu.
Or if you're just doing this for a video.
The measurements in the description, so if you'd like to follow along and use this recipe, you may.
She doesn't have this, let's get rid of that.
Ingredients. We have a bunch of
Hold up, I forgot something.
That's it, so just pour it in, and whisk it.
Hold up!
After that,
No, hold up, bro.
we have a bunch of flour and a little bit of salt. That's it. So just
Teaspoon of salt.
And whisk.
Hold up, girl. Oh gosh.
After that, whisk.
Oh gosh.
With the short
Oh gosh.
Get in the
Okay,
air.
Blue. Hold up, girl. You need to stop. You need to stop right now. Hold up, hold up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where's my dang whisk? Hello?
Well combined.
And whisk together till well combined. Okay, so we're gonna scoop in the butter and then the shortening. Where the heck is my spatula?
Get in the air.
Okay.
Medium.
Yeah, get in there.
Keep going.
Hold up. You're too fast.
Now add all of your sugar and mix it up again.
Okay. Hold up. Gosh! We're gonna put that there, and then medium speed. Is it getting mixed? Oh wait, I think it is. Hold up. Let me help you out. Oh Come on. Okay, I think that's mixed. Hold up. Oh, the sugar. I forgot about the sugar. Okay, wait. Did she say to dump in all the sugar? I think so.
8 eggs, the whole egg, the yolk, and the egg white. And you may be wondering, why are you adding 3 small 6-inch round cakes? And as the eggs are mixing, you can add your pineapple extract. Now, we've got our wet ingredients.
Hold up. Girl, you go too fast. Okay, we need 2 teaspoons of pineapple extract. But I cannot find pineapple extract for the life of me yesterday. So we're gonna go with coconut and make it like a little tropical pina colada cake. Alright, we got you right here. Perfect. Of course, there's a lid.
Crushed pineapple. We're gonna add the crushed pineapple last. So set this off to the side.
Okay.
Here.
Bye.
Add your dry.
We don't know her.
You're wet. I'm gonna halves so that I don't get a big dust cloud that poofs up. Alright, we're gonna mix it.
You're spilling? I'm not.
Oops, let me get this. There we go.
I don't need you or your brand new pins or your bougie friends.
Wow, okay, that's half. Yep, I'm spilling, and I'm over here judging. Wow, Shelton. Okay, wait. Is that in? I think that's in. Wait, so let's start off on the first one. Holy moly!
I have round 6-inch pans. They are greased and lined with a piece of parchment paper at the bottom. So that
Perfect, I think that's good right there. I already have my oven set to 325, so that's good. So let's just go pop these into the oven. All right guys, so I have my cakes right here, all leveled out now. They're out of the oven. And honestly, in her recipe, she says 30 minutes, but it honestly took an hour for these to actually get fully baked and stuff. So definitely put it in for an hour, just be checking up on it.
Now, that will be this. And then lastly in front of me, I have a turntable to make icing a little bit easier.
Perfect.
All right, so just place, you can place this onto your plate or cake stand, whatever you got.
Perfect.
And place your first round circle cake right in the middle. That's gonna help it stay in place, and it smells so good. So like banana bread, this is like pineapple bread.
She's right.
I use this technique a lot. I really love this. Basically piping a little fence, and then you fill it in with icing. I do a zigzag motion. Now,
Definitely should have made a bigger hole. Definitely gonna need more icing too, which I did not make. Oh my gosh, this whole video is just a fail. Every time I try to make something, it just doesn't come out the way that I want it. Did I make this
place
icing
the
wrong?
cake on top. Let's make sure it's even.
Yeah, well, this is just not turning out. You know what? We're just gonna boom, boom, boom. We're just gonna cover the whole thing in icing like that, and then we're gonna, you know what? No one's even gonna see that. I don't know if it's the icing, but it's probably because I used the vegan recipe on it. I don't know. This is just not, at this point, I'm actually just ready to give up. Look, this thing just does not, look, the whole icing is just coming off. This is just, it's definitely a lot better. Maybe I just needed more pressure. And honestly, this is my first time ever baking, so I think we're doing okay-ish. Alright guys, I need to update you guys, like, we messed up. Your boy messed up. So, I went back into the cookbook, right? And I'm reading recipes, and it says 2.5 cups of powdered sugar. My dumbass went and put regular sugar. Now that is more moldable. There we go. Your boy actually made it right this time. Oh gosh. My hands are gonna be completely messy. Oh my gosh. There we go. See, now this actually looks a lot better. Ooh, there we go. I'm literally wanting to give up now. You know what? Okay, so she says not that she used to just go and just splat it on, but that is exactly what we're gonna be doing today. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Ro. Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh gosh. I think we're gonna be able to save her slowly but surely getting there. Like, okay, like definitely looks a lot better than it did before. It's not perfect by any means, but it's not awful, you know? So I'm just gonna keep trying to like ice it, I guess, and see if I can get it to look any better. Just trying to cover up like the giant cake spots where you can like still see the cake. That's basically what I'm having like troubles with right now. Alright guys, I've come to accept that this is as close as I'm gonna get it, because this is just not looking too good. Which is gonna be the good side. I mean, I think that might be the good side right there. So I have my fondant pieces right here, and I could not find black food coloring anywhere or black fondant. Just my luck, right? So, oh gosh. We got our two little cheeks right here, which I think is actually gonna look really, okay, see, no, those are fine. I can go right here. This cake looks so much smaller than hers, or did I just make my pieces really big? I don't know if that's cute or terrifying. We got its little ears. Oh boy, I'm nervous for this. Oh, these ears are getting floppy. These ears wanna flop right out. Oh no, they wanna flop. Oh gosh. I need toothpicks ASAP. It's okay, little buddy, you're gonna be good. We're just gonna, oh no. Oh gosh, no, we failed. This is a total fail right here. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you for watching this epic fail. This is just so freaking sad. Like, look at his little ears. I thought fondant was supposed to harden, like she said. This is honestly just a fail. So thank you guys so much for watching the first episode of Bake It Like Ro or Fail It Like Shell. Yeah. So I've decided that I'm gonna be making this into a little series here on my channel where I try and attempt Rosanna Pansino's recipes. As you can see, I am not very good at it. Like, I honestly suck at this. This is just awful. I could have used some more food coloring. The buttercream, I'm not even gonna talk about that. Anyways guys, thank you again so much for watching this epic fail, and yeah. And now, enjoy some awful B-roll.
Ooh la 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 la, spin 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 spin. Ooh la la la, ooh wow. La la la, gotta get that close-up shot. La la la, ooh beautiful. Ooh, oh, an overhead shot. Wow. Ooh, yes.